Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To maintain your Dyson AM06 fan effectively, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Start by unplugging the fan to ensure safety during maintenance. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the fan. Carefully lift off the fan casing to expose the internal components. This is crucial for proper cleaning and maintenance. Once the casing is removed, use the soft brush to gently remove dust and debris from the internal parts. Pay special attention to the motor and blades, as dust accumulation can affect performance. If you find it challenging to clean these areas, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. For a thorough cleaning, take the microfiber cloth and wipe down the exterior of the fan and the casing. This not only improves appearance but also prevents dust from entering the internal components once reassembled. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the fan. Align the casing back onto the base and insert the screws. Ensure they are tightened securely but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plastic. If you're unsure about this step or lack the tools, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once reassembled, plug in your fan and test its functionality. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quotes before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront without any surprise charges. Regular maintenance helps in prolonging the life of your fan. Aim to clean the Dyson AM06 every few months, depending on usage and dust levels in your environment. If you encounter any technical difficulties or prefer assistance, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle it for you. In summary, maintaining your Dyson AM06 involves simple steps: gather the right tools, clean thoroughly, and reassemble with care. Following these steps will ensure your fan operates efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.